Good morning, students of class 8. Previous class exercise 20A we have completed. Today we are starting exercise 20B. Before that, just see the concept of cylinder. What is the shape of cylinder? All of you know that. Mm, just see the figure. Top face and bottom face, circular face is there. This is the shape of the cylinder, and examples are what? Road roller, gas cylinder, circular storage tank, circular pillar. These are that you already from the lower class you are doing. Now we will study the formula that you have to remind. Consider the cylinder of height. If the height of the cylinder is h units and radius is r units, that means this A to B, this is h, and this radius is r, then the formula will be volume of cylinder pi r square h. Curved surface area of the cylinder. Curved surface area means without the bottom and top surface. This surface is the lateral surface or curved surface. So the formula will be 2 pi r h, and total surface area of the cylinder means lateral surface with the top surface and bottom surface. The formula will be 2 pi r into h plus r square unit. That you have to remind. Lateral surface area 2 pi r h, total surface area 2 pi r into h plus r, and volume is pi r square h. Now we are going in exercise 20b. Question number 1. Number 3 I have solved. Here the radius of the base, that means small r, is given. H is given 15 meter. You have to find volume, curved surface area and total surface area. Very simple, just you have to put the formula. For the cylinder, radius of the base r equal to 14 decimeter. Height is given in meter, that's why from decimeter we have converted in meter, dividing by 10. 1.4 meter. Height is means h 15 meter. So volume pi r square h. Just we have to put the value. Pi means 22 by 7. R square means 1.4 whole square. So 1.4 into 1.4. And h means 15. Then we have eliminate point and we have done the cancellation. According to you, you will solve. I am not explaining that. Cancellation. Lateral surface area. In short form I have written. You can write in short form. But in exam, don't write in short form. You have to write in full form. So lateral surface area is 2 pi rh. 2 into pi means 22 by 7. R means 1.4 and h means 15. I have eliminate point. So denominator 10 is coming. Then cancellation. So it's coming 132 meter square. Then total surface area 2 pi r into h plus r. 2 into 22 by 7 into r means 1.4. H means 15, R means 1.4 meter square. So first we have done the addition. So it's coming 16.4. So 2 into this into 16.4. Eliminate the point, then do the cancellation. After doing cancellation, denominator I have multiplied. It's coming 1443.2 meter square. After eliminating the point, denominator is coming 10. So just shifted the point. 2 zeros are there. So before 2 digit, I have given 1 point. Cancellation you will do yourself. Then question number 2 and 3 is easy sum. So question number 4 I have done. Find the height of the cylinder whose volume is 1.54 meter cube and diameter of the base is 140 centimeter. So here you have to find the height. Volume is given, that means pi r square h is given, and diameter of the base, that means 2r is given. So height you have to find. So we have taken, let the height of the cylinder be h meter. Diameter of the base means 2r. 2r equal to 140 centimeter. From that we have find r equal to 70 centimeter. Converted in meter. And volume of the cylinder. Volume of the cylinder means pi r square h. So according to the question we can write pi r square h equal to 1.54. So pi means 22 by 7. R square means 0.7 whole square into h equal to 1.54. 0.7 whole square means 0.7 into 0.7. So h equal to, that denominator will come in numerator and the numerators 22, 0.7, 0.7 are coming in denominator. Then eliminate the point and do the cancellation yourself. Then h equal to coming after doing cancellation 1 meter. So the answer will be the height of the cylinder is 1 meter. Question number 6, I am not solving, just giving the hints. A closed cylinder tank of diameter 14 meter means 2r is given. From here 2r you will find r. Height 5 meter, that means h equal to 5 meter, made of from sheet of metal. How much sheet of metal will be required? So with the sheet of metal we are making the cover of the cylindrical tank. That means here you have to find total surface area, not volume. So after read the question, you have to decide in which question you will find volume and in which question you will find total surface area or lateral surface area. With the metal of sheet we are making the cover of the cylindrical tank. That means you have to find the total surface area. R you will get, H you will get, then you will find then you will put in the formula total surface area, that means 2 pi r into r plus h. Now we are going in question number 8. The lateral surface area of a cylinder of length 14 meter is 220 meter square. Here length 14 meter means height is given, h equal to 14 meter, and lateral surface area means 220 meter square. Find the volume of the cylinder. So first we have written the notations. If we will write the notations after read the question, it will be easy to solve. So h equal to 14 meter, this is given in your question. 2 pi RH, that means lateral surface area equal to given 220 meter square, and you have to find volume, that means pi r square h you have to find. So when you have to find pi r square h, the value of r and h is needed. That means first you have to find the value of r and h and then you have to put in this. So we have taken, let the radius of the base of the cylinder be r meter. So it's coming lateral surface area. What is the formula? 2 pi rh. So according to the question, 2 pi rh equal to 220. Just put the value 2 into 22/7 into r. R is not given and h is given 14 equal to 220. On that way we have find r equal to 2.5. Then volume is pi r square h. Pi means 22.7, 22/7. R square means 2.5 whole square. So 2.5 into 2.5 and h is given 14 meters. So h we have put it 14. Then I have eliminated the point and you have to do the cancellation. It's coming 275 meter cube. So volume of the cylinder be 275 meter cube.